How to change name in email Outlook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook and log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on File located on top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Account Settings. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find your email in here. Double click the option. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Write your name, and account name is your email name. Change it from account name and you're good to go. Click on Next. After clicking on Next, you're all set and your email will be changed. And that's how you change name in email Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.